I'm in that phase of life where one of my children is getting up every single night. I just am not getting my life together before they get up. I'm just settled with it. It's just like, it is what it is. And, you know, ideally I'd like to wake up 30 minutes to an hour before them to like get everything together. But if I'm up at least like an hour every night, that's just not realistic. And so that's where I'm at. But it's okay, because this is the best time of our lives, and the only time we have is the present. Sleep is important though, so I've just been like snoozing and like waking up as late as possible with them. Okay, I just use my toning pads, which I use after washing my face. Think of this as like your prep step, your gentle exfoliant, gentle enough that you could use once or twice a day. If you're really sensitive skin, rosacea prone, maybe you use these a couple times a week. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's like truly listening to your skin, which is why we say introduce these a couple days a week initially, 3 days alternating, so your skin can kind of get used to it. You want to, after using toning pads, start applying your skincare within 60 seconds. I can feel my skin like drying, because think of your skin like a sponge. You want to apply to damp skin for maximum absorption. Now, there's a caveat. If you are new, so say like you're new to using vitamin C and you have sensitive or reactive skin, or you're new to using retinoids, you can wait till your skin dries and apply them on dry skin to minimize that initial sensitivity. Now, if you can tolerate it on more damp skin, that is ideal. Okay, let's listen when I open this. Step after toning pads, vitamin C, but listen. It's just like opening a Coca-Cola. Vitamin C, when you're using it on your face in the morning, you're thinking about this as your protection. Your skin is basically in like fighting mode all day long, so you need antioxidants and especially vitamin C to help fight off that free radical damage. All free radical damage is like sun exposure and like pollution, basically like probably even this light in my face, you know, like we're getting exposed to stuff constantly and we need to have something that fights it off. Next step for me, overachiever. This is your skin boosting serum. So think about strengthening the skin barrier. If you are over the age of 30, honestly, anyone can benefit from the serum. It's pregnancy safe. It is going to help to strengthen the skin, help minimize redness. So if you've got any type of skin sensitivity, I have rosacea. I love this serum. Has like changed my ability, one, to be able to tolerate retinoids more frequently. It allows your skin to be less sensitive and less reactive, and that's like the biggest benefit I think with this. It does a host of other things. It has caffeine in it, so it's going to help tighten. I love it around the eye area, tighten and firm, and it's going to help boost collagen production. It has bakuchiol in it, so studies show that used twice daily, it's comparable to using like a retinol once daily. Basically, like that's why this can be used as a retinoid alternative during pregnant, or a retinoid booster if you can use retinoids. I put all of my serums around my eyes, and I've tested that to make sure that my eyes don't have sensitivity. So you don't have to just like save products just around the eyes unless your eyes are really reactive, but just try it out. You don't know until you try. So I put all my serums around my eyes, and then I use my eye products after serums. And I think of eye products in a way, to me, that makes more sense, and it's also gives you more realistic expectation. Do I think they're beneficial? Yes. Do I think like you should build out the foundation of your routine first? Yes. So after you've done that and you're wanting to add an eye product, that's great. I think of eye products as prevention and maintenance. Like they're not going to do what an office treatment does. That's okay. They're not intended to do that. This is when I apply my eye patches. So I've done moisturizer. I haven't applied SPF yet. And I get really close into that corner because I have just some fine lines that I want to smooth out. And you want to make sure the skin is still like tacky, because the eye patches themselves, because they're medical grade silicone, they don't have any adhesive on them, which is why you can reuse them so many times. And oh, this feels so nice. So the skincare is the treatment. So you get to basically choose your treatment that you wear under your eye patches. And if you're using these kinds of eye patches and you have any sensitivity, it's the product that you're using underneath. It's not the eye patches, it's whatever you're choosing underneath. So if you have sensitivity around the eyes, that's what it's from. I saw Kathleen Jennings has this roller and I love it. I have like a really sore temporomandibular joint, and so it helps like just feel really nice. Okay, taking these off. You can keep this on for 5 minutes, you can keep this on for 20 minutes. It doesn't matter. And I like to stick them together, and I just toss them right back in this bag and call it a day. I love how tiny this is, easy to travel with. I mean, it's like nothing. Last and most important step, protect your investment. I love these eye patches because I just like found myself never like saving eye patches, but you know, it's like you save something for a special occasion. I don't have very many special occasions. So the next thing I know, I'm like saving something for 2 years. And now with these eye patches, I feel like I use them every single day for as long as I have time for. It's not like some super invasive like procedure or treatment, and so easy to do.